Research has shown that there are some special types of foods that have been naturally made to burn off fat. These foods are the same type of foods that stand behind 99% of people who have made drastic changes to their bodies within a short period of time. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 proven foods that burn fat naturally. These are the main foods that stand behind the concept of burning fat without exercising. Proven foods number 1, lean proteins. Lean protein refers to protein sources that are low in fat and calories. These foods can be grouped into main 2 parts, animal-based and plant-based. The animal-based lean protein includes foods like chicken and turkey breast, fish such as cod, tilapia, or salmon, lean beef like sirloin or tenderloin, eggs, specifically the white parts, while the plant-based lean protein includes foods like tofu, which is made of soybeans, lentils, beans such as black beans or kidney beans, quinoa, and Greek yogurt. These are not the only lean protein foods, but they are the most accessible ones you can find in the market. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in May 2015 found that individuals who consumed a high-protein diet experienced greater fat loss compared to those on a low-protein diet. The study involved 60 overweight and obese individuals who were placed on either a high-protein or low-protein diet for 12 weeks. Participants on the high-protein diet, like chicken breast, Greek yogurt, and lentils, lost an average of 6.1 kilograms of body fat, representing a 20% reduction, while those on the low-protein diet, like white bread, white rice, or soda, lost only 3.6 kilograms of body fat, representing a 12% reduction. Now, here are the 3 main ways lean protein actually helps with fat loss. 1. Satiety. Protein is more satiating than carbohydrates or fats, meaning it keeps you feeling full for longer periods. This can lead to reduced overall calorie intake throughout the day, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit. Calorie deficit occurs when you consume fewer calories than your body expends over a period of time. This imbalance between the calories you eat and the calories you burn results in weight loss, because your body taps into the stored fat in your body to make up for the shortfall in calories in your body. So by eating meals that are high in lean protein, you are indirectly burning your body fat. The second way that lean protein helps in losing weight is muscle preservation. When you're trying to lose fat, it's essential to preserve lean muscle mass. These lean muscles are responsible for giving you that sculpted physique where muscles are visible beneath the skin. Protein-based foods provide the building blocks necessary to maintain those muscle tissues, ensuring that the weight you're losing comes primarily from fat stores rather than muscles. The third and most crucial way that lean proteins help you lose fat fast is increased metabolism. Proteins, when compared to other foods like carbohydrates and fats, has a way higher thermic effect. This means your body burns more calories digesting and metabolizing protein than any other food type. Considering the fact that protein has a thermic effect around 20 to 30%, meaning that about 20 to 30% of the calories consumed from protein are used during the digestion and processing of that protein. In comparison, carbohydrates have a thermic effect of around 5 to 10%, and fats about 0 to 3%. So in general, if you want to lose fat, your diets should contain a high amount of lean protein foods like the ones I've already mentioned. Now, let's move to proven food number 2, which are leafy greens. Leafy greens are simply a variety of vegetables with edible leaves, including spinach. Kale is popularly known as leafy cabbage, bok choy, cabbages, watercress, and lettuce. So here's the science behind how eating leafy greens help you lose fat. Now, leafy greens are known to be low in energy density, meaning they provide fewer calories per gram of food. This is due to their high water and fiber content. So what does this really mean to you? This basically means you can eat a lot of leafy vegetables without consuming too many calories, resulting in you feeling full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of overeating. And the less calories you consume, the more fat you will basically burn because your body will tap into its stored fat reserves for energy, leading to weight loss. This creates a calorie deficit where your body burns more calories than it consumes, resulting in fat loss over time, as I described in point 1. The next proven foods are undoubtedly cheap yet extremely effective in helping people lose weight fast. These foods are whole grains. Whole grains are grains that contain all parts of the grain kernel, the bran, germ, and endosperm. This means they retain all the essential nutrients, such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals, compared to refined grains, which have had the bran and germ removed during processing. Examples of whole grains include whole wheat, oats, brown rice, millet, barley, and bulgur. Research has shown that consuming whole grain foods has a direct correlation with fat loss. When you consume whole grains, they're broken down into glucose, which is released into your bloodstream. Now here's where it gets interesting. Because whole grains contain fiber and other nutrients, they are digested more slowly than refined grains. This slow digestion leads to a gradual and steady release of glucose into your bloodstream, which helps keep your blood sugar levels stable. When your blood sugar levels rise gradually, your body releases insulin in a controlled manner. Insulin is responsible for allowing glucose glucose to enter your cells and be used as energy. When you eat refined grains like white rice, your blood sugar levels spike quickly, causing your body to release a surge of insulin. This can lead to a rapid drop in blood sugar levels afterward, leaving you feeling hungry and craving more food. But when you eat whole grains, the slow and steady release of glucose means that your body doesn't need to release as much insulin all at once. This gradual release of insulin helps prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. When insulin levels are stable, your body is less likely to store excess glucose as fat. Instead, it can use glucose for energy more efficiently, which ultimately aids in fat loss. So, by choosing to eat whole grains, you're not only getting more nutrients and fiber, but you're also helping to regulate your blood sugar levels and insulin response, which automatically makes it easier for your body to burn fat effectively. The fourth proven food is berries. Now, most people don't know this about berries, but despite their unmatched taste, they also contain some special compounds like polyphenols, particularly flavonoids and anthocyanins, which have been shown to have anti-obesity effects. Anthocyanins are a type of plant pigment responsible for the vibrant colors seen in many fruits and vegetables, including berries. These compounds have been found to interfere with the process of fat cell formation, also known as adipogenesis. When you consume foods rich in anthocyanins, these compounds can help prevent the development of new fat cells in your body. Additionally, anthocyanins have been shown to reduce the expression of certain genes involved in fat storage. Genes are like instructions for our cells, telling them what to do. Some genes control the storage of fat in our bodies. By reducing the activity of these genes, anthocyanins help decrease the amount of fat that gets stored in our cells. So, when you eat berries or other foods rich in anthocyanins like red cabbages and purple sweet potatoes, you're not only enjoying their delicious taste and vibrant colors, but also benefiting from their ability to inhibit the formation of new fat cells and reduce the storage of fat in your body. This can contribute to overall fat reduction and help support your weight management goals. Proven foods number 5 are nuts and seeds. When you eat foods that are rich in healthy fats, like nuts such as almonds, walnuts, cashews, and pecans, and seeds like sunflower seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds can actually increase your metabolism. Your metabolism is the process by which your body converts the food you eat into energy it can use. Healthy fats play a crucial role in this process by helping to kickstart your metabolism. This means that your body burns more calories throughout the day, even when you're not actively moving or exercising. So, by including foods high in healthy fats in your diet, you can effectively boost your metabolism and lose weight while doing nothing. The purpose of this video is not for you to try out every single one of these foods, although you can certainly do that if you wish to, but the aim is to shine light on these fat loss foods, so you can make your own decision as to which one you like best, and can stick to eating it for a longer period of time, without feeling like you're constantly forcing yourself to lose fat. The goal is to make it extremely easy to lose fat, and choosing the right food will be the single most important fat loss decision you ever made.